Blotan Asian Art adalah pemasok furnitur internasional dan kerajinan kayu untuk desain interior dan perlengkapan rumah tangga dengan menggunakan kayu utama yaitu kayu jati, kayu asli dari Indonesia. Untuk visi kami berusaha untuk menjadi perusahaan yang jujur dan dapat dipercaya, konsisten untuk menghasilkan produk yang berkualitas baik. Kami juga dapat menyelesaikan pesanan sesuai dengan waktu yang telah ditentukan. Produk kami terbuat dari kayu jati, limbah hutan, dan kami menggunakan finishing yang ramah lingkungan. Untuk misi kami selalu memperluas pasar, terutama di pasar Eropa dan Amerika, khususnya pada segmen pasar menengah ke atas, dan terus mendapatkan lebih banyak klien dan penjualan.
Blotan Asia Art is located on Jalan Anggrek, Blotan, WEDOMARTANI, NGEMPLAK District, SLEMAN Regency, Special Region of Yogyakarta. Blotan Asia Art. Heru Prasetyo is the owner of Blotan Asia Art. Exploring the mountains and forests are some of his favorite things. It was during those contemplative moments he realized that natural remains with holes, cracks, and imperfect shapes were in fact interesting and unique when staged. In 2015, Blotan Asia Art brought a breath of fresh air to the home furnishing industry. The teak roots that are commonly overlooked to be made into furniture due to their raw material were brought together with resin. The asymmetrical form of the wood is presented as it is. From imperfect materials scattered in the forests of Blora, Cepu, Ngawi to Bojonegoro, East Java, beautiful furniture was created.
Produk dari Blotan Asian Art sangat ramah lingkungan karena menggunakan limbah hutan dari bahan kayu jati. Sedangkan bahan lain yang kami gunakan adalah rotan, natural fiber seperti enceng gondok, pelepah pisang, dan kerang.
Blotan Asia Art is filled with skillful and professional craftsmen with such strong sense of art. We pay attention to every single detail of the products we make to produce high-quality products that can be accounted for. By hiring housewives and farmers to join us, we intentionally combine modern industry and traditional industry to create strong characteristics.
Produk yang kami hasilkan yaitu home interiors, diantaranya candles, meja resin, stool resin, meja makan set, lampu tidur, dan juga cermin. Household items, diantaranya dining set, tableware, teak bowl, teak tray ataupun resin, basketry set yang terbuat dari natural fiber. Selanjutnya, home decoration, diantaranya shell wall deco, tiles wall deco, dan fabric wall deco.
For the expert staffs, Blotan Asia Art always recruits the best people from university graduates, where they can definitely offer a lot of inspiration, good product quality, as well as latest innovation for Blotan Asia Art. A solid team produces a great product. Our packaging of goods is made by considering as safe as possible and as good as possible aspect. We hope to witness our customers smile when opening our items.
Kami juga mempunyai beberapa sertifikat, diantaranya Wood Legality Certificate atau SVLG, Resin Certificate, Wilmore Certificate, TSCE, Plywood Certificate, dan Bioindustry Certificate untuk finishing.
we do consider the process of our goods packaging because it is definitely one of the keys to opening up the international market. By carrying such a high artistic value, we pour everything into our products. Blotan Asia Art already has earned their Indonesian Legal Wood Certificate, where the raw materials used are legal and the origin of the wood can be traced back. Blotan Asia Art also has their trademark in their products, which is wood combined with resin. With the potential of Blotan Asia Art, we believe this company will continue to grow as innovations are made. Blotan Asia Art also actively participates in the international market, with the European market being the current main market for Blotan Asia Art. The customer's satisfaction with the quality of Blotan Asia Art's products is shown through the recurring number of orders that continue to accelerate. The appeal of Blotan Asia Art's compelling products come from the strong artistic traits of nature.
Kami telah melebarkan sayap ke berbagai negara, di antaranya Australia, Belgium, Netherlands, dan Germany.
We can surround ourselves with the natural ambiance of Blotan Asia Art products in the comfort of our homes. The tranquility and beauty that Blotan Asia Art brings gives us the much-needed comfort to our homes. Blotan Asia Art surely understands the customer's aspiration for great quality, providing us with the products made only of the best quality materials that will last in our homes for a very long time. We are in the city of Yogyakarta, the city of artists, the city of cultures, as well as the city of tourism. Those aspects have become our foundation for every product that we make. Our products are definitely unique, and they can also be considered antique. There is a certain value that can be felt from every product. There is a certain touch of nature combined with art in every Blotan Asia Art product.
Harapan kami ke depannya agar Blotan Asian Art menjadi perusahaan yang go internasional, memperoleh lebih banyak buyer, dan kami memberi kesempatan kepada anak muda untuk bisa bergabung dan menjadi bagian dari Blotan Asian Art.